So today, guys, we're gonna be going to the field. So let's go. Oh, got my shoes on. Why? Okay. Dang, this is a deep field. Whoa. What is that? I guess that's an actually. Okay, so off cam, I went in this field. That one right over there. And there was a hornet. And I started running. It was freaky. I wish you could, but I deleted it. Because I accidentally tripped and I accidentally deleted it. So, yeah, we're gonna go in the field. Right here. Look. See? Okay. Ah, shoot. There's a house over there. There's some stupid dogs keep barking at me. And then there's my house. Well, it doesn't look that good. It's not that. Well, it's really far, but I just zoomed y'all's in. See? That's how far it is. Whoa. Look. Whoa. Okay, so let's go. God dang, that made me jump. Fucking crickets. Yeah, crickets. I figured that they were gonna be here. Look, this is an actual field. Whoa. Yo! Look, guys! See it? There's a slide over there. Probably somebody else's slide. But I'm just gonna go see.